Buffalo QCP430 32-Quart stainless steel pressure cooker. The commercial grade pressure canner is what you need. Pressure canning is the only safe method of preserving vegetables, meats, poultry, and seafood. Jars of food are placed in 2 to 3 inches of water in a special pressure cooker which is heated to a temperature of at least 2040 Fahrenheit. This temperature can only be reached using the pressure method. The stainless steel handles work best for commercial use to ensure a stable support for heavy-duty food items. And the power burner. German G with mortise and tenon joint design, simple switch, safe, durable and easy cleaning. With the pressure indication valve, relieve pressure easily, emergency pressure relief safety device. Buffalo pressure cooker also managed to obtain ISO 9001 2070 goods certificate from Japan. Suitable for use on gas stove, electric stove, induction cooker, and ceramic furnace.